good with y'all? What's good, man? We back with another video, man. Y'all see by the title, I'm about to try something new. I'm looking out the door and trying to make sure wifey don't come. Cause I'm about to do this and I don't know, we just gonna see what she gonna say. Cause it raining outside, it ugly, man. I was gonna go out there and mess with big meat, start taking the motor loose, but there's gonna be another video. But we can't do that, and I can't be talking loud cause I don't want her to hear what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna try to make it seem organic. And like I said, we just gonna see what she gonna say. I'm gonna say, man, I'm trying to pick up I'm trying to buy another race car, hot rod or something, and it costs about 10,000 and all that, and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna see what she gonna say, how she gonna react. We're gonna catch her reaction, cause a lot of y'all wanna see how she react anyway, and be asking. I get questions asked, what your wife think about you buying all these cars and all that. But this gonna be organic, cause it'll be off camera. So I'm gonna get the camera set up, and she ain't gonna be able to see cause this camera don't have no record light, so she ain't gonna know to record it. And then yeah, we about to see what happens. So y'all just stay tuned. Hey, I'm about to call downstairs on the phone. I'm gonna act like I'm working out. You know what I'm gonna do? Make it seem real. Hey, what you doing? Come downstairs right quick in the garage. Yeah. I'm about to play some music. I don't want to get no copyright. Yeah, like I'm getting in.
You ready?
Come on. You ready? Cause I was just thinking about something. I said, now, you know, with all the cost of all that going on, I ain't gonna call them kids still too. I'm thinking about getting another car. Like, call all my stuff down and all that. So I'm thinking about, you know, I tell you like, I don't be feeling like building nothing no more and all that. Probably it takes so much time.
Yeah.
So I found the SA in Waukee, but I'm thinking about like next month sometime, just pick it up. But see, it probably like, I think it said 7,000 or something like that. But what you think?
I mean, what you gonna do with it? I mean, you said you just
Use it for content.
Oh.
Well, you know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna use it for video though.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking about going ahead and getting it like next month though. Not right now because we're doing the house stuff too. But like next month, I'm thinking about going ahead and getting it. Like it's already put together. Like it's really a nice car. Like it's already together, clean. Like it just turnkey and dry.
Yeah.
Well, what you think?
I guess. Where you gonna put it at though?
I put it outside. Everything put it in the hill. We're doing gym stuff in the hill, so.
That's how we need a shed. You know.
But I'm saying, like, what you be at? I mean, how you be feeling about me getting this stuff though? Like, cause I just be buying all the cars and all this stuff. That's why I said I want to run it by you though. Instead of just being like, well, I think I need to go ahead and get it. But you know I'm using for content though.
Yeah. What you gonna sell it eventually?
I mean, more than likely, you know, I say it's a meat, you know, meat ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
You know, Camaro ain't going nowhere. Everything else. Cause you know I'm at a standstill, so I'm like, I can use it for some content. I mean, at the end of the day, if you don't want to get it, I ain't gonna get it though.
I mean, I really don't.
Cause we work together, so.
Yeah. I don't care. As long as get stuff that we need done here.
What have we been doing?
I'm just
What have we been doing here?
but nothing now.
What we did last month?
I know that's what I'm saying. Like as far as like that's what I said. I think we need a shed, a shop. You know what I'm saying? That we can.
Where you going?
Huh?
Where you going?
I was saying that we can.
You trying to get back to your little work?
No.
So, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, what you... Should I get it or not?
Man, you feel that it's gonna generate more money, then yes. And,
You know everything I do.
you know what I'm saying? But it's not gonna, you know what I'm saying?
So,
What are you gonna be doing on it? You say you're gonna do content. I'm saying, like, what are you gonna do?
whatever I do, act a donkey in the street. Burn tires, all that good stuff. Give the people something to watch. But like I said, it's a running car. It's actually like, it's a nice running car. What, you telling me buying cars too?
You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? No. I think no one can do other stuff that we just do. Like, I don't really care. You know what I'm saying?
And we always do other stuff.
But I know. I know that.
Well, I did check with you. I had just saw it. I was out here checking, going through the marketplace.
Yeah.
So you don't kill it.
No, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? That's it. My thing is only we can do stuff that we need.
We always do stuff.
I know.
You got your home stuff.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just fixing and stuff. You know, making food.
But do I not be fair though?
Yes, I know that.
That's it. What you keep wanting?
Huh?
Hey, look, you gonna knock my 28 off. You know you can live 1,000 pounds, you can tilt the whole 28 out. You don't have to get a whole nother set of rings.
No.
But look, come here. What? She always sneaking and getting.
I'm not.
That's right here. Look. You got pranked. It did. It's recorded.
So you doing pranks, you know?
I'm doing pranks. Got him.
What?
I did. It's recorded. See y'all. I gotta think outside. Got it sitting up here. See, I got you. I was up here. Seeing how you gonna react if I say I'm gonna buy another car.
You know how I'm gonna react.
Yeah, I know. But I said, I know, but they always, you know, people be wondering, cause I be buying all the car stuff. But today, see, that's a real, there was a true reaction though. See, cause people probably be thinking sometimes just be doing stuff called, you know, it's on camera. So I thought it would be an interesting prank.
Yes.
Y'all see, she be wanting her house stuff. Look, that be her reply. Hold on, y'all, I'm trying to get it back on stand. That be her reply every time. If I do something with some car stuff, she be like, I don't care. I'm being talk like she be talking, y'all. I don't care. As long as we can do our house stuff. That's all she worried about. So long as I do some outside stuff, some interior home decoration, all that good stuff, then it's all good. And what?
We just can't go nowhere right now.
We can go somewhere.
Oh, we can't.
We can go somewhere. Look, did y'all see how she was about to, I don't know if it caught in the camera, she about to tilt my whole 28 over. You about to knock my whole rim. Nah, for real though, you know I was playing about the car, but you know I'm about to buy another set of rims though, don't you?
Yes.
I told you that. Yeah, for real about that. I ain't tell y'all, but I think I did. Well, I'm gonna put some 26 on Dolo. Them going on. Now I didn't tell y'all. If y'all on my Facebook, cause I ain't paid nothing for them. Them rims really have paid for themselves. Those rims paid for themselves, so they made profit. So we good right there, right?
Yeah.
We made profit for real though. On a serious note though, I do some of this stuff is, I mean, this is what I do for a living. So, you know, it's about making smart decisions and all that. And, you know, I'm not about to just buy cars just to buy them like I used to in leisure. And like, I'm keeping it real, cause we had these discussions. It's one car that if I bought it, I know it wouldn't be for business. And that's why I won't buy it yet. It's my dream car, it's a Grand National. And I mean, like way back, I went in a position where I could afford it. I mean, I'm just keeping it real, y'all. I couldn't afford it. Like, we couldn't afford it together. I mean, to be dropping that type of money on the Grand National. But now, I mean, thank God we can. I could have been bought it, but I won't buy it because I know I'll be buying it for personal gain. Like, it'll be a liability and not an asset. Everything I'm buying now and doing is really an asset, cause it's really investment. I don't care too much about it, except big meats. And the Camaro, I grown a connection with the Camaro, cause they're my first hot rod I had since we had our kids. That's the first car that they rode in that they know, cause wasn't nothing else running. So, you know, it's a little connection with that. But I won't buy a Grand National yet because I know it's a personal car. She know I like it, my dream car and all that. So if I bought a Grand National, I probably wouldn't be making that much content with it, cause I wouldn't want to dog it and none of that stuff. So. But yep, we just had to get her a reaction. My first and probably only prank. This lighting is terrible in here, y'all. This lighting is terrible. We need to push. She said, y'all heard she said, yeah, so you doing pranks now? Oh, it's about the thunderstorm. But yeah, y'all. That's it, man. This just a little entertaining video, something to give y'all. It ain't nothing going on. Like I said, it's about the thunderstorm and all that good stuff. I want to give y'all a reaction. And I can say wife reacted exactly how I thought she would react. Like, she really don't be tripping. She do not be tripping about the car stuff. Never. Never. She have never said, oh, don't do that. You shouldn't do that. Cause at the end of the day, I trust what she choose to do. She trust what I choose to do. I know both of us got good head on our shoulder. She said she want to buy something, or hey, I want to do this. Hey, we doing it. Just boom, boom, straight up, no question asked. We doing it. So, yep, that's it, man. No car action. Car related. It's car related, but no car action. But yeah, like I was saying before I close this out, these right here are going on big meats, man. The internet love it, man. I mean, they love it. It do look good though. They look better on big meats. So I'm putting the 28s on big meats. I'm gonna step down to a 26-inch wheel for a Dolo. I'm gonna step down to a 26-inch wheel for Dolo, and then we're gonna ride out. So, and I hope to have Dolo next week, man. I hope to have that car next week, all pressure. So I hope to have it at the house. So y'all stay tuned, man. We coming with it. Y'all see that bad weather. When that bad weather when it clear up, my father-in-law. When it clear up, and where they going? But anyway, when it clear up, man, I'll be back on it, turning wrench. We're getting ready to snap the motor out of big meats. Me and Rick talk. The motor finna come out, all that good stuff. So, yep, crate motor being this week. Yes, indeed. Hold on. Let me bring it back up. Crate motor. Oh, that lighting is bad. I'm sorry, man. Lighting terrible in the garage. But anyway, crate motor will be in this week. So, big meats gonna have all pressure next week too. So I hope to have both of them have all pressure. But yep, that's it, y'all. Catch y'all on the next video. I'm out.